Hi guys, this is Prakash and in this video we are going to unbox the Sennheiser HT350BT Bluetooth headset. So let's get started.
Be strong.
But before going in, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. The Sennheiser is a very old company from Germany. It's also a very reputable company. They make high-end audio devices like microphones and headsets, etc. And I bought this HT350BT headset from Amazon at 7,490 rupees. Apart from these headphones, we get the USB Type-C cable and a user guide, that's all. We don't get anything else apart from these. And this headphones has Type-C and it charges from 0 to 100% in 2 hours. And coming to the build quality, this is fully made up of plastic. Even the hinges are also made up of plastic, but this is very flexible and strong. You can see it here. And these ear cups also shovel in both directions, like this and in this direction also, so it will be quite comfortable. We have a quite lot of buttons on the right ear cup, and actually there is no mentioning of the right or left on this headset, so the buttons are on the right ear cup, so that's the mark. And let's start from here. This is the microphone, and this has the inbuilt microphone. It is also of good quality. And this is a power button. Here we have the Type-C port, and this is for volume button for increasing and decreasing volume. And here it's really interesting. For changing tracks, you have to slide this up and down. Let me show you this with an example. And here we have a dedicated button for voice assistant. It actually supports most of the voice assistants like Google, Siri and Bixby. Let me show you this, guys. So when you slide it up, it goes to the next track, and when you slide it down, it goes to the previous track. And to pause the song, you have to press it. Yes, it's paused. And to play, again you have to press it. Hello guys, this is a sample video for knowing the mic quality of this HT350BT headset. I think the mic quality is good for indoors but not for outdoors, so I think you can feel that. And that's all about this mic. Initially when I used these headphones on the first day, I actually felt like I wasted my money on it. But after listening it for maybe like 13 to 15 hours, my opinion was changed. It's like the audio quality is improving hour by hour you use. The first hour it's not at all good, but after listening it for 7 hours, I felt the difference. And after listening for more than 13 hours, you can enjoy the Sennheiser signature sound. But if you are a bass head, this is not recommended for you, because they don't create any extended bass or something like that. They just give the pure music. So if you like bass very much, so don't go with it. This headphones has a quite comfortable padding, but this is not a breathable material, so it will feel little warm around ears after a 1 hour of usage. So I have to take it off for 5 minutes at least and use it again. And another thing is, the cavity around the padding is not very big. It's actually made for small ears, so if you have large ears, it will be a discomfort for you. These are the over ear model, so they cover your ears fully and they block up to 50% of the environment noise. It's called as ambient noise isolation, so it works fine. These headphones also support the Qualcomm aptX and Qualcomm aptX low latency. This Qualcomm aptX low latency works great with the Snapdragon powered smartphones. Generally we observe some lag in Bluetooth headsets, but for this it's entirely different. When I was watching movies or YouTube videos, the lip sync was perfect, and I even tried some games with this like PUBG and Call of Duty. The shooting sound, the footsteps or the guns changing sounds was very accurate, and even little minute sounds are also audible very clearly. So these are also great for gaming. When we talk about the battery, the company actually claims that it would work for 30 hours, but in my experience It works way more than that, in a range between 35 to 40 hours. I can assure you that it works more than 30 hours. Coming to the Bluetooth range, I'm really impressed with this. General Bluetooth devices work fine till 10 meters and some may even work at 12 meters, but these even work at 17 to 18 meters. I'm actually shocked and this surprised me a lot. Sennheiser also provides us with an app where you can change the equalizer settings for the headset. There are also some default profiles, whether if you may like it or not, but you can also make some profiles. You can change the equalizer settings to your taste, so that's a good thing. And the best thing is, if you make a profile and save it, it will be saved on this headset. So when you connect to a new device, there is no need to again make a profile on that device. The same profile will be continued on the device. Actually, let me show you this practically. And here is the smart control app by Sennheiser, and it takes a couple of seconds to be connected. Okay, it's connected now. And this is the profile made by me, and we have the few default profiles: movie and podcast and neutral. These are the default profiles, and this profile is made by me. So you can also customize in this way also. Okay, you can also customize like this. And in this one, when you increase the bass, the other two are also changing their settings, so that's a bit uncomfortable. So it's better ideal to use this one. So when you change the bass, the other two will be at their own positions, like this. If I had to rate this, I would give 8 out of 10 for the sound quality. Though it doesn't create any extended bass or stuff like that, I enjoy the pure music on this. You can also change the equalizer settings, which helps a lot. And coming to the build quality, I can give 9 out of 10. It's really awesome. And for comfort, I would be giving 4 out of 5. This small cavity is actually good for my ears, but if I have bigger ears, I think it will be problematic. So think that before you buy this. And actually, I feel this is lightly on heavy side. It's actually 222 grams, so it's slightly on heavy side. So coming to the ratings for weight, I would give 3 out of 5. They could have done it better. And that's all about this video, guys. I think I gave you the required information about this headset, and let's meet in the upcoming videos with new gadgets. This is Prakash signing off.